Well, I haven't made a video for a while for my YouTube channel, American Woman in Jamaica. American Woman, all one word, in Jamaica. And so I thought I should check in. I'm still here, thriving, trying to thrive, right? So I'm preparing. The school year has started, and I just came down. I had to go up for a couple weeks to take care of some stuff. Trying to figure out how to ship. I've never shipped before, and it's very expensive. But anyway, I shipped a barrel just to get my feet wet. I realized, gosh, it probably wasn't worth maybe shipping those things, but I wanted some of my personal stuff to make me feel more comfortable. So I am still residing in my boardroom, and I love my privacy. I love my view, and I'm very comfortable in my bed. So first I want to show you the view, right? Wow, look at that view. So I built myself a fire pit there, right? And I did just cook there the other night. I'm always cooking, and there's my sink. So there's my kitchen. Some people would say, what in the world? But hey, I came to Jamaica with a purpose, which was to teach. And that's what I'm doing. So this is my living room, and that is my desk, my closet. I call it my walk-in closet. And there's part of my office stuff. And then there's my bedroom, and here's my kitchen area, and my cook stove, and then here's my restroom. But see, I got my personals, and then you see here's all my car parts, because I'm not just a teacher, but I am a lover of my 99 Honda EK. And so this isn't the normal ladies bathroom. There's my cowgirl boots, so I don't get hurt when I'm working with this heavy stuff. But this is my life, and you know, I teach to give back, and then I fix cars because that's what I love to do, and it's fun. And you know, I take good care of my car. And I've met someone that's helping me do a lot of stuff to my car. I'm learning so much stuff, and I have bought some tools. I did a valve seal job and rings, and I've done so much stuff on there. I didn't video it all, but anyway, so that's what's going on with me in Jamaica. I'm still here pushing through, learning lots of lessons, and just watching life unfold, like the things with the school buses, you know, something I'm used to, seeing every day. I grew up on that, coming to school on the school bus. I couldn't wait till I was old enough so we didn't have to take the school bus, and it didn't matter if it was 2 miles to walk to school. You didn't want to take the school bus because it wasn't cool once you got to a certain age. Anyway, so that's what's going on with me, American woman in Jamaica right now. I'm getting this curriculum done, so I'll be driving to Kingston. I work with a young man there, an autistic boy there I work with a couple days a week at a really great school. It's called Life Academy. It's in Kingston, and I do personalized learning plans, but I also tutor college students, for really any classes that they have. I am Dr. Anderson. Sometimes I forget I am, but here I am. And then I'm also doing work for the White River Fish Sanctuary, which, I was a commercial fisherman for years, and so that's like right in my wheelhouse. And then I'm a teacher, so I go into schools and we talk about the sanctuary and the coral reefs and what it's going to take to for them to invest in their future, litter and plastics, recycling, all that kind of stuff. So, and then they always get a good rev off my car, so they love that too. Anyway, God bless, respect, and big up yourself.